Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you this topic, that is Introduction to Matplotlib and Twin Axis. So let's start. First of all, we will see what is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a low-level graph plotting library in Python that serves as a visualization utility. Matplotlib was created by John D. Hunter. Matplotlib is open source and we can use it freely. Open source, it means we doesn't require any license to install Matplotlib. Now we will see how to install Matplotlib, that is installation of Matplotlib. If you have Python and pip already installed on a system, then installation of Matplotlib is very easy. Install it using this command in command prompt, and that is pip install matplotlib. In your system, in command prompt, you have to write down this statement, that is pip install matplotlib. If this command fails, then use a Python distribution that already has matplotlib installed, and the Python distributions are Anaconda, Spider, etc. Now we will see how to import Matplotlib. Once Matplotlib is installed, import it in your applications by adding the import module statement, and that is import Matplotlib. We will write down this statement to import the Matplotlib in our applications. Now Matplotlib is imported and ready to use. Now we will see what is Matplotlib pyplot. Most of the Matplotlib utilities lies under the pyplot submodule and are usually imported under the PLT alias. See, almost the important functions of the Matplotlibs are under the pyplot submodule. Hence, we will import the pyplot using the aliasing name, that is PLT. How? That is this one. See, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. To import the pyplot, we will write down this statement. PLT, that is nothing but the aliasing name of pyplot. Now the pyplot package can be referred to as PLT. Now we will see one example, that is draw a line in diagram from position 0, 0 to position 6, 2. We have to draw a line passing through these 2 points. So what we will do, we will just write down the program for this one. First of all, we will write down import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, because most of the functions of matplotlib lies under the subplot pyplot. So definitely whenever we will just write down the programs related to matplotlib, we will compulsory write down this one statement. Then after, we will import another module that is called numpy, that is import numpy as np. With the help of numpy module, we can create the array of numbers. Now x points equals to np dot array 0, 6. See, with the help of this command, we can collect the array of x points. See, here the line will pass from 0, 0 to 6, 2. So the x points are 0 and 6. So with the help of this command, we are going to create the array of x points, that is 0, 6. Similarly, we are going to create the array of y points, that is 0, 2. See, we have y points equals to np dot array 0, 2. So with the help of this command, we can have the array of y points, that is 0, 2. Then after, with the help of this command, that is plt dot plot x points comma y points, it will create a plot taking x points on x-axis and y points on y-axis. Then after, with the help of this command, that is plt dot show, we can show the output on the screen. So what is the output? You can see this is the output. This is the xy plot. This point is 0, 0, and then after this is 6 and this is 2. So this point is 6, 2. So this is a line passing through 0, 0 to 6, 2. You can check out the output of this program in any of the editor like PyCharm or VS Code or Jupyter Notebook. I will show you the output of this program in Jupyter Notebook. See, this is a Jupyter Notebook and I have already written the straight line program, that is program 1. I will just open this program. Now you can see I have written the same program over here, and you can check out the output of this program over here also. This is nothing but a line passing through 0, 0 and 6, 2. Now we have another example, that is draw 2 points in the diagram, one at the position 10, 30 and one is at position 5, 20. Now you have to keep in mind the important note, that is to plot only the markers. You can use shortcut string notation parameter, that is O, which means rings. See, we will write down the program over here. First of all, the same statement, that is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then after we have to import numpy, that is import numpy as np. Then after we have to take x points. See, the x points are 10 and 5. So with the help of this command, we can create the array of x points, that is np.array 10, 5. Similarly, y points, that is equals to np.array 30, 20, as y points are 30 and 20. So with the help of this command, we can create the array of y points, that is 30 and 20. Then after plt dot plots x points comma y points comma c. Additionally, we have written O over here. This means rings. So what will be the output in this case? We will be having these points in the graph only. It means we are going to show the position 10, 30 and 5, 20 in XY plot only. Now plt.show, it will show the output. So see, you can see the output over here. This point is 5, 20 and this point is 10, 30. Now I will show you the output of this program in Jupyter Notebook. See, I have written over here program 2 points in the diagram. Now I will just open this program. You can see that we have the same program over here and the output that is discussed with you. To run this program, you have to click on this run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you. Now we will see twin axis. When we say twin axis, it means a figure can have dual x or y axis. Also, when plotting curves with different units together, then also twin axis is very useful. In Matplotlib, this task is supported with the twin x and twin y functions. In Matplotlib, we have two functions. One is twin x, another is twin y. With the help of twin x function, we can share x-axis, and with the help of twin y function, we can share y-axis. In the axis module, there is a function named axis.twinx function, which is used to create a twin axis that are sharing the x-axis. As already discussed with you, with the help of this function, we can share x-axis. Similarly, axis.twiny function, which is used to create a twin axis and that are sharing the y-axis. How I will just make you understand the concept of twin axis using one example. See, first of all, we will write down import numpy as np. Then after import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now in T, that is equals to np dot arrange 0.01 comma 10.0 comma 0.001. So in T we will be having numbers from 0.01 till 10.0 by taking the step size of 0.001. Then after in data 1 we have np.exp of t. So this is nothing but an exponential function. It will give us e raised to 0.01 till e raised to 10.0 by taking the step size of 0.001. All these values will be stored in data 1. Then after in data 2 we have np dot cosine of 0.4 into np dot pi into t. So this is nothing but cosine of 0.4 pi t. So in data 2 we'll be having this curve, that is cosine of 0.4 pi into t. Value of t will be from 0.01 to 10.0 by taking the step size of 0.001. So all these points will be stored in the variable that is data 2. With the help of this statement, we have a subplot named ax1. Now color, that is equals to tab colon orange. See, now in ax1 subplot we are going to have x label as time s. Now with the help of this command we have y label as exp and its color is color, and already we have defined color equals to orange. So the color of y label, that is orange. So the color of exp is orange. Now with the help of this statement we can plot the graph of an exponential function taking time t on x-axis, data 1 that is e raised to t on y-axis, and its color that is already defined with color, and that is nothing but orange. So the color of the exponential curve is orange, and with the help of this print statement we can have the plot of e raised to t. Then after, with the help of this statement, on y-axis we have label color equals to color, that is nothing but orange color. So the color of the parameters will be orange in this case on y-axis. So this was all about the discussion of the exponential curve. Now we will discuss the cosine curve. See, we have written over here ax2 equals to ax1 dot twin x. So what it will do, now this ax2 plot will share the x-axis of the plot ax1. Now here we are defining color equals to cyan. Now for ax2 y label, that is cosine, and its color is color, and that is cyan. Now with the help of this statement we can draw the plot of cosine of function where t is on x-axis. In data 2 we have cosine of 0.4 pi t and color, and that is cyan in this case. Then after, with the help of this statement we can have the parameters on y-axis of cosine curve with color, that is cyan. Now figure dot subtitle, that is this one. See, this is the subtitle, and you can see in the output as well, this is the subtitle. Then after, with the help of this command, we can show the output on your screen. So this is the output. You can see that the x-axis, that is time axis, is shared by the exponential curve and the cosine curve. This is an exponential curve. This is a cosine curve. This is a y-level exp on y-axis for exponential curve, and these are its parameters. And this is the y-axis for cosine curve, and this is cos y-level on y-axis, and these are its parameters. Now I will show you the output of this program in Jupyter Notebook. See, I have the program 3, that is twin axis. See, I have written the same program over here. You can see on your computer screen. Now I will just run this program. Just click on this run button. Now you can see the same plot as discussed with you. This is the graph of an exponential curve. This is the graph of cosine function, and the x-axis, that is time axis, is shared by the exponential curve as well as cosine curve. So in today's lecture, we have seen the introduction of Matplotlib, how to install the Matplotlib, how to use the Matplotlib. Then after, we have seen the programs, how to draw the straight line, and then after, how to show the two numbers on XY plot, and finally we have seen the concept of twin axis, and we have seen one example based on twin axis. Thank you for watching this video.